Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Lord Brahma's creation. Lord Brahma emerged from the lotus that had sprung from Sriman Narayana's navel. Sriman Narayana was on his couch of Ananta Shayana. Narayana meaning Nara for Pralaya or deluge waters, the causal waters. Ayana means floating, moving. Like Dakshinayana, Uttarayana for the movement of sun. Lord Brahma emerging from the lotus looked in all four directions, puzzled as he was, closed his eyes and went into deep meditation. This got him the four faces. Two syllables rang in his ears twice, tapa, tapa. Lord Brahma realized that these denoted tapas, meditation, and he lost himself in deep tapas for a long time. 1000 celestial years rolled by, and Lord Brahma got enlightenment and heard an aerial voice to get into the process of creation as part of Lord Narayana's Maya. He had now seen the Almighty God with multi faces, multi hands, with Shankha Chakra Gada. Now, this advice of Sriman Narayana to Brahma to get in the process of creation is referred to in Sankalpas. Mahapurushasya Vishnoho Artnya Pravartamanasya Adya Brahmanaha. That means the first Brahmana, Lord Brahma, the creator, acts on the instructions and guidance from the Almighty Sriman Narayana. Lord Brahma's creation through mind by yogic powers. Four sons, namely Sanaka, Sanandana, Sanatana, Sanat Kumaras, were duly born as Lord Brahma's first mind-born sons. They declined to get into the process of creation and were firm to be perpetual celibates. This shows the first offspring of Lord Brahma were not materialistic nor after pleasures, but devoted to the Almighty God throughout. This irked Lord Brahma, who frowned. In the process, there came forth from between his eyebrows a child crying. Lord Brahma said, "Don't cry, Ma Rudra." As a result, the child got the name Rudra, Lord Shiva. As advised by Father Brahma, Rudra got into the act of creation and gave forth Bhutaganas of a rebellious nature, which prompted Lord Brahma to advise Rudra to cease the creation process. Lord Brahma assigned to Rudra the heart, the senses, the five elements that constitute all living beings, namely ether, air, fire, water, and earth, as well as sun and moon, and was advised austere penance. Pondering over his failure to fulfill Lord Narayana's advice, on creation in its true sense. Lord Brahma sat in deep meditation for 100 celestial years. Subsequently, the creation process followed in the order of first vegetation. Plants, creepers, sprouting plants, grass and such vegetation. Annual fruit yielding plants, seasonal plants, grain yielding plants, etc. Animal kingdom. Birds, animals of 28 species, vertebrae, non-vertebrae, four-legged ones, hoofed ones, mammalian types, amphibian, aquatic, etc. And third was the creation of humans, man and woman. And thus it was the completion of the food chain. The human creation saw the creation of man from Brahma's right and woman from Brahma's left. They were Swayambhuva and Sadarupa, and they will beget 2 sons and 3 daughters, namely Uttanapada and Priyavrata, and Ahudi, Prasudi, Devahudi. We will come to them in another chapter. The human creation now commences with mind-born sons as under. Mariji emerged from Brahma's mind, Atri from his eyes, Angira from mouth, Pulaha from navel, Pulastha from ears, Kradu from Brahma's hand, Bhrigu from Brahma's skin, Vasishtha from breath, Narada from Brahma's lap, Daksha from thumb, Kardama from shadow. Now, next in the process of creation was Vak, goddess of speech, Vagdevi Saraswati, the first mind-born daughter of Lord Brahma. She was looking pretty, so much so that the creator, though of pure sattvika gunas, momentarily fell for her. Scoffed at by Mariji's sons, born to his second wife Urni, Brahma instantly realized his grave mistake and cast off his body. After deep meditation, for a long time, he came back with an impeccable mind full of sattvika thoughts. This shows early on in creation process itself, God brings out how even very sattvic seers may fall a prey to sensual pleasures. That is why the Vaishya said, Matra sostra sosra duhitra va na viviktasano bhavet balavan indriya gramo vidvamsam abhikarshadi. These were the words of Yayadi at the time of his renunciation of sensual pleasures that he had enjoyed, even exchanging his son's youthfulness at his old age. Skanda 9, chapter 19. In other words, one should never remain alone even with one's own mother, sister or daughter. Powerful are the senses which lead astray even a learned person. Lord Brahma, still not satisfied with the progress of creation as per the Almighty's command, Vishnoho Ajnaya Pravartamanasya, went through another round of deep meditation for 100 celestial years. Now, creation by man and woman. As said, from Lord Brahma's right side emerged Swayambhuva, and from the left Sadarupa. Brahma had actually mentally split himself into 2 halves. That resulted in the creation of man and woman, so that the creation process would go on uninterruptedly. Swayambhuva became the first Manu in the order of 14 Manus. Each Manu's time is a Manvantara. We are now in the period of the 7th Manu, that is Vaivasvata Manu, and the period is Vaivasvata Manvantara. Swayambhuva and Satarupa became the first man-woman to start the process of creation through procreation on earth. Their two sons were Uttanapada, Priyavrata, and daughters Ahuti, Prasudi, Devahuti, as earlier mentioned. This process of creation was possible only after Mother Earth, that was stolen by Hiranyaksha, was retrieved through Lord's Varaha avatar. Narayana, 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 Narayana. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.